When you're running Facebook ads, and you should be running them, by the way, I'm not saying you shouldn't do that, because you know my philosophy. I don't just pick up the $100 bills if they're in front of me. I pick up every bill that's in front of me. Even if it's a quarter, I'll pick up a dime if it's in front of me. But I'm saying the $100 bills, especially in the short term, are an asymmetric risk rewards. The problem with Facebook is if you do it wrong, it costs you money and it costs you time. That's not a problem with this type of marketing that I'm talking about today, which is sell the influencer, and then you can sell the audience. Or more specifically, serve the influencer, and then you can sell their audience with their permission. This is somewhat like affiliate marketing, but it's not. We serve the influencer to then be able to sell their audience. But even if we don't get in front of their audience, we have still benefited. Do you follow me here? This is a strategic principle that if you understand it, it should revolutionize your business. So it's so important that we're on the same page here. There is no downside. There is only upside. And the more of it we get, the more of it we can enjoy. But even if we get a fraction of it, we are better as a result of this. This is constant forward application, which isn't necessarily true. How many times in business do you think that this happens? Where there is only reward and there's never risk, where there's always forward movement and there's no stalling or there's no backwards movement. Most business activities do not have that. I would say less than 1% of business activities do that, and those are almost always by design. They very rarely happen by accident. But I'm into strategic models that happen that way on purpose and can happen that way consistently.